All right, you guys, in today's vlog, we're going to be doing a lot of relaxing, grocery shopping, cooking, and finally tackling this under the sink mess. Y'all, when I tell y'all it is crazy, keep on watching. Guys, so y'all know when I first get into Walmart, y'all know I always got to go by the green section, and I have to go and find my smoothies. So y'all gonna see me try to be modest and get only 4 because I usually just get the whole rack. But anyway, that's it, and I'll show you what else I got when I get home.
I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone.
Well, you know what? I had already put up the grocery, y'all, but this is what I'm cooking, and I think this is Labor Day, but this is what I'm cooking, something really quick, so just keep on watching.
All I need is just saying yeah. Better nights, better days.
I'm telling you, if you guys love baked beans, you're gonna love the Bush vegetarian baked beans. I've been eating for years, you guys. I usually put my little hamburger meat and all that stuff in there, but since I'm having cheeseburgers, I didn't want to do all that, and plus my kids don't like it like that, so I'm just gonna warm this up on the stove. Really simple, quick, you guys, because I didn't feel like doing a whole lot of cooking, but this is gonna satisfy us for the day. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do there.
So hard to reach, just pick up your phone, tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready.
Alright, so here I'm just getting ready to fix my coleslaw, and I like apples and raisins in my coleslaw. I forgot to get the coleslaw salad dressing, so I'm gonna go old school like my mom used to make it, with some mayo and a little sugar, and we're gonna call it a day. So I'm just cutting up my apples here, and like I said, once I get done with it, you'll see how I make my coleslaw.
And I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know. Say, where are you? Hey, don't be so hard to reach.
Got this bag, like I said, for $1 something at Walmart. Like I said, this is real quick, you guys. I think this is the quickest meal I've cooked in a while, but yeah, so that's it.
All I need is you saying yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe, cause you're all I crave. So I wonder, where are you, baby? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know. Say, so hard to reach, just pick up your phone, tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. To you, let me cater to you.
If y'all not using this onion Lipton soup mix in y'all burgers, girl, y'all are missing out. I've been doing this for years. Sometimes I take a break from it, but if you love that onion taste in your burgers, try this out and let me know how y'all like it.
You inspire me to be better, challenge me for the better. Sit back and let me pour out my love letter.
I'm just getting ready to pack these bad babies in a skillet and give them a good fry, honey, because your girl is hungry. Take it out and make them into 2 small patties, because that burger was too big for them little small hamburger buns that I got. Y'all comment below and let me know if y'all like y'all buns toasted when y'all make y'all burgers, or you just eat it regular. All right, you guys, I'm just about to fix my burger and get this bad baby ready, because when I tell y'all your girl is hungry. But like I said, this was Labor Day. We didn't do a whole lot of, well, I didn't do a whole lot of cooking. I just wanted to relax a little bit and just enjoy my day off. Can y'all believe Labor Day, this was the first day I had off a holiday in wow. And when I tell y'all I didn't know what to do with myself, I relaxed the entire long weekend and wasn't feeling bad about it either. Honey, anytime I can take a break and get some time to myself, that's exactly what I will choose to do every time. And I encourage you guys, take some time for yourself. If you got PTO saved up at work or whatever the case may be, stop letting your time add up. Use your time. It will help your mental health. I'm telling you, especially if you're like in customer service like I am, honey, you need a break. You need a mental break from it all just so you can be at your highest self. But anyway, just wanted to give you that little nugget of encouragement there. So I'm going to go ahead and fix my plate, honey, and I'm finna get on this couch and just relax. When I tell y'all this was the best little quick meal I've cooked in a while, honey, I'm about to enjoy this meal. Y'all better grab y'all a plate and come on and enjoy it. Join me. All right, you guys, so this is what I'm working with. Brace yourself. This is how by under the sink is been. I couldn't tell you what's what. It's just thrown in here. But we finna tackle this. We finna get stuff out of here that don't need to be in here. And we're gonna get this organized. All right, you guys, so the first thing I'm just gonna empty out everything that's under the sink so I can see what's what. Cause girl. Y'all let me know in the comments if I'm not the only one. Cause I swear when you be getting stuff, it just be in there. You never know how much stuff you got until you start to organize it and clean through it. I advise y'all to do this before y'all go running out to the store buying stuff because you may just have it tucked away up under the sink. All right, you guys, so this is what we are working with, all this. And then you got this, you got these two bins. I couldn't tell you what half of this stuff is. But this is what we got up under here. So I'm about to clean this. All right, you guys. So listen, this stuff right here, the Clorox and TV. You know, I used to have the pink one, but this one is a Pacific Breeze and coconut. It's bleach free, you guys. So I really love it. And when I tell y'all this stuff smells good, I'm about to clean up under here. So that's what I'm about to do. I mean, y'all, when I started cleaning, my hands was sticky stuff that waste up on there. I mean, it's ridiculous. But I'm telling you, life will get to lifing and adulting will get to adulting. And before you know it, you got a sink full of stuff that some of you probably ain't using and some of you probably using, but you can't find it. All right, you guys. So I bought these from At Home. And so I'm going to see if I can get rid of the white bins with using these. So just stay tuned. All right, so I'm trying this out. I think what I want to do is put all my perfume, lotions, all that kind of stuff, body, shower gels, all that stuff in one so that I can see all my stuff. And then the next one be just like cleaning stuff and miscellaneous.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught.
All right, so this is going to be like my toothbrushes. I'm trying to clean out this one. Honey, I had all kind of stuff up in there. But I'm trying to have like toothpaste, toothbrushes, flossing stuff, all that stuff. And just miscellaneous stuff in one bin. Trying to just get a little organization going on, y'all, because it's ridiculous. I'm almost embarrassed to show y'all this, but I be telling y'all, life be happening and things be happening. Stuff just get put on the back burner. All right, you guys, so now I got all my like toothpaste, toothbrush, extra soap, Band-Aids, all that kind of stuff, like floss in this little bin right here. And I'm gonna put the top on there because I know what's in there. And then I'm gonna set that right there. And that way I only have to use one of these baskets. And this is, I got to restock, but this is where my tampons, panty liners, pads, all that good stuff, feminine wipe, all that stuff is in here. And that's what I'm going to put on here. And then I could just set that on the top because I kind of use that often. The stuff like cleaning stuff, peroxide, all that kind of stuff is going to go over there. And then I'll just have miscellaneous stuff. So I'll show y'all the finished result when I'm done. All right, you guys, are you guys ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Here we go. Look how neat and clean. I even got extra space up under here. Do y'all see what just a little organization can do for you? It's time for relaxation time. All right, you guys. So I'm about to light my candle and set the mood. I even got my little lights for my tub. These are some of the products that I'll be using. I'll have them linked down below. Y'all, when I tell y'all this bath is so needed. I woke up this morning throwing up everywhere, stomach upset. I could hardly even stay at work, you guys. So when I tell y'all this bath was so needed, after I done got all the cleaning done that I'm going to do, this bath, I couldn't get in this bathtub fast enough, but I'm just making my bath there and getting everything ready. Y'all spend some time and take care of yourself. Physically, mentally, spiritually, and everything. Because I'm telling you, sometimes we as women get so caught up in doing a whole bunch of stuff. And you look up and stuff be all out of whack. So I'm using my cup that my mom got me, you guys. Yeah, my mom sent me a bunch of goodies. Well, actually, she had my daughter to make it for me. But that cute little cup so I can drink my water. Y'all, just whatever you got, make time for yourself. Again, I got my nice journal my mom got me to write in, and just do whatever you can, little or small, big or small, and just take some time and be one with your thoughts. I'm telling you, it will make a world of a difference just doing little stuff, you guys. Those little bath leaves, they really feel really good in the tub. I put about 2 of them in there and just made it as bubbly as I can. It's the little stuff, you guys. So I hope this encourages you guys to do something for yourself, to take better care of yourself. And honey, I'm gonna enjoy this bath. I will see you guys on my next video. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Mwah.